Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Crypto Coach, Blockchain Wayne. I'm going to show you in this video how to utilize the FIO Send feature from the Edge wallet. Now, FIO Send is an easy process to send cryptocurrency without having to use that long string public address. Instead, I'm going to send it to a short, human readable address known as your FIO crypto handle. So let's head on over to the Edge wallet and take a look. When I pull up the Edge wallet, you can see right here, say I want to send Bitcoin. I would just select Bitcoin or whatever other cryptocurrency I want to send. Now, once I select that, it's going to give me the option to either send it the old method, but I'm going to just choose to send it through a FIO crypto handle. I hit send right here, and I'm going to enter the address, and then I'm going to type in, I want to send it to, say, my Infinito wallet, so I'm going to send it to Wayne at Infinito wallet. That is the public FIO crypto handle that I can send to instead of that long string public address. So I type that in. It's going to automatically sense that that's a valid address. And then I type the amount. I want to send $20 worth of Bitcoin to that wallet. So from here, I just type in 20. And then once I go back, confirm it, slide to confirm. It's as simple as that. It's been sent. I've already sent that cryptocurrency to the other wallet. I can use that to any other partner that utilizes the FIO protocol, whether that be an exchange or a wallet. I can send it to either as long as they utilize the FIO protocol. Now, just to show you a quick glimpse into the Infinito wallet, I go here. I'm going to go to my wallets and I select Bitcoin. You can see that $20 is already there. When I hit deposit history, you're going to see it was as simple as that. Happened a minute ago. As easy as swiping a finger to send crypto without having to copy and paste that long string public address. So that's it. Get into the Edge wallet and utilize the FIO Send feature.